One of the most underrated ways to make money online is by targeting local niches. And with AI Niche Site Blueprint, it's easier than ever. Instead of competing in crowded global markets, you can use AI to build niche websites focused on local services, like plumbers, roofers, real estate agents, or cleaning companies. These businesses are always looking for more customers, and that's where you come in. The Blueprint's built-in AI app helps you find profitable local keywords, build a website around them, and create optimized content that ranks fast in local search results. Then, using pay-per-call affiliate marketing, you can earn commissions every time someone calls a business through your site. That means you don't need to sell anything directly. Just drive local traffic and let the leads convert for you. The system automates almost everything: content, writing, SEO optimization, and posting, all handled by AI so you can scale multiple local sites easily. If you've been looking for a smart, low competition way to earn consistent commissions online, AI Niche Site Blueprint shows you exactly how. Click the link in the description to get started today and let AI help you turn local niches into real passive income streams.